Alright, to show you how to wire a alarm to some batteries, I'm gonna use a wheel active here. The closest thing I have is to a P2RK. This is my wheel exceeder with the Kendo able to sell out. I have two exceeders. So what you want to do is you have to have 3 to 9 volt batteries. Um, Now by the way, the exceeder kind of wires up very similarly to a P2RK. So basically, you're gonna have a mounting bracket, and you're gonna have some wires. What you're gonna do is you're gonna take a screwdriver. It can be flathead or Phillips, uh, smaller flatheads. So basically, you're gonna take the positive terminal, and I'm too lazy to get a screwdriver right now. So you're gonna want to unscrew this, put your wire into here, into the positive terminal, and then screw it down, and then do the same with the minus one. You just take your negative wire, and then put it into negative terminal. And if you're using two 9 volts, you're gonna want to fit your batteries like this. Alright, so once you got your wires in, you're now gonna fuck. Okay, so the wires can be a bit finicky, but once you get your wires connected and fished through, now it's time to install your alarm on the bracket. Now before you anyways, and once you get your alarm set, you're gonna wanna make sure it's on the setting you want. I recommend code-free low volumes. You don't want to blow your ears out. You can also set the candela. So this is just for fun. I'm gonna set it to 30s. Once it very candela, and then you want to put it on. And if it's an advance, I fucking swear to God, this fucking screw doesn't fucking stay in. Alright, so just put your alarm on the thing. If this was an advance, after you put the alarm on, you're going to want to screw it on the bottom, but this is not an advance, so you don't have to screw it because this is, but yeah, since you're using an advance, you're going to want to do that. Alright. Come on. Swear to God, okay, it's fucky. Alright, I'm gonna try this one more time. Swear to God. This isn't. If the wires come out again, I'm just gonna switch to another alarm. Oh man. Alright. Hold on, I'm just gonna do this with 2 hands. Alright, so I got mad at the Wheel Exceeders, so I just switched to this Gentex Commander Free. Now you got your wires installed. It's testing time. I don't have the manual up to see what tones to use, but I just set to a random tone. I'm not sure what the hell the tone is gonna be, but I'll find out. Anyways, you're gonna take your 9 volt batteries that's arranged like this, and you want to put it on. Alright, I'm going to do this in 3, 2, 2, 2, 1, 1, 1. Here we go. Yep, there we go. That's how you wire a fire alarm to some 9 volt batteries. Now, if you're going to be using some older alarms, you're going to want. Now, at some point, you're going to want a power supply because you're going to realize that these 9 volt batteries die pretty quickly when you run them on the alarms. So I recommend getting a 24 volt filtered DC power supply. The reason why it has to be filtered DC. No, it doesn't have to be filtered DC necessarily on newer alarms, but if you're going to run older alarms like 7002 Ts or mechanical simplex alarms or mechanical alarms, any simplex alarm, you're going to want filtered DC or else you might blow the alarms. They're going to sound really scratchy. But most of these newer alarms like the Gentex Commander Free, the Wheelock Exceeder, and maybe this Wheelock MIZ, they'll run fine on FWR power supplies, which are the cheaper power supplies. Anyways, hope this helps.